Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily open your Discord inbox. So first, what are you guys trying to do is go over, and if you're on a server, for example, then you want to go over into direct messages. So here we have our inbox, here we have our direct messages. We get the convos, we also get the friends, shop, quests, and nitros, so we get a lot of it. And here is our inbox. Here we can check the messages, and if we have message requests, we're gonna see them either in friends and message requests right here, or you will see another category here right at the top. So you can easily control your messages from the inbox. That's it for the video. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.